My first reaction is we need this. Like all big trusts and schools, we always have incidents with allergies. The Kitt really helped us put a structured approach into our allergy management.
If I can't get to my pens, I know that there are pens around the school, so it just makes me feel safer.
My name is Rijk van der Merwe. I'm the commercial director, so procurement is a big part of my role. We have over 11,000 students, around 2,000 staff, 30 sites with multiple buildings, and we make roughly sort of 25,000 meals a week. Like all big trusts and schools, we always have incidents with allergies. Obviously, Benedict's law is coming in September. The Kitt really helped us put a structured approach into our allergy management because it's on the wall, it's like a defibrillator. Everybody knows where it is and it's easy to use. Before we had Kitt Medical, of course, we had to do a sort of a manual system where we had a separate policy, a separate training exercise or regime. And then the pens itself is actually remarkably difficult to source. All of that worries away now. The pens are automatically monitored for expiration date and that we get a renewal. That's almost invaluable. And we take it in combination with reducing the workload of our teachers and our staff. It was a no-brainer for us.
My name is Drew Turnbull and I'm in Year 10. I have a cashew and pistachio allergy, but it used to be all type of nuts. I found out when I was around 6, but I still carry my adrenaline pens with me. I noticed the kits, when they were first put in, I felt kind of safer in a way. If, say, I didn't have my pens on me, the kits would still be there. For people with allergies, I think it's more difficult than people think it is. If a school didn't have the kits, I would say get the kit because it helps the students feel safer with all of the teachers knowing how to help them if they have an allergic reaction.